What's up everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this weed and grass killer that I got to be able to spray on our weeds in our yard. As it in North Carolina here, they're starting to come in this time of year, and we wanted something with that on it right there. As many of you know, we have two large dogs. So got this. Here's the spray nozzle. This is actually the top side, so this you'll point it down to the ground like that when you spray it. There's where it sprays out of right there, and then you unlock it by turning right here, as you can see right there. So you just turn it to your left to unlock this spray nozzle, and then there's obviously your spray lever handle, whatever you want to call it. And then here's on the back side here, here's your instructions to use. So you want to follow those first before you use it. All right, so I'm about to use this for the first time on these weeds right here. Like I said, it sprays out of the nozzle here, so we'll go ahead and spray it on these right here. Don't spray it on anything you don't want killed, so don't spray it on any grass that you want to save or any other flowers. So I'm done. I locked it back by lining those two knobs up, as you can see on the top and the bottom that look like a lock. So that's it.